let's get you a breaking update of this encounter anti-terror operation that has been reported in Jammu and Kashmir's Ganderbal, where this is the operation that is Arama, where one terrorist has been eliminated in the gunfight that is set to continue. And the operation, as far as the anti-terror crackdown is concerned, deferred pictures coming in of this morning, as one terrorist has now been neutralized in this crackdown. Sahil, good morning. Can you give us the details, please? Sahil, details of the ongoing operation, please.
Well, exactly in this ongoing operation, one terrorist has been eliminated. There was security impact input, intelligence input with security agencies, and following that, the coordinated search operation was initiated late last evening in Arihama area of Central Kashmir's Ganderbal district. There, in fact, joint impact operation being conducted by Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, and CRPF. And today is the day second of this operation, and now we're getting, in fact, official confirmation from Indian Army that one terrorist has been eliminated in this operation, while as operation continues. It is in fact the forest area where this operation is taking place, and all SOPs in fact are being implemented at the place, and as per the standard operating procedure, the operation is being carried out.
All right, but what is the current situation that what we are looking at, as far as the official statement also coming in that the troops have effectively retaliated with calibrated response and resulting in the elimination of one terrorist? Sahil.
Well, first of all, there was this, in fact, intelligence input with security agencies about the presence of 2 or 3 terrorists hiding in this Arihama village of Central Kashmir's Ganderbal district. And yesterday in the evening, there was this coordinated search operation when these search parties were basically moving the suspected area where they had, in fact, intel about the presence of terrorists. The terrorists hiding in the area basically fired upon security forces. That resulted into an exchange, and then the security forces had to recalibrate basically the domination and the cordon around the area. And after that, in fact, late in the evening, there was again exchange of gunfire, and as a result of which one terrorist that's officially confirmed now has been gunned down, while the hunt for others continues in the area. The operation is being jointly conducted by Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police, the CRPF. As I said, the area is close to a forest area, and so there are, in fact, multiple challenges that security forces face while conducting these operations. But this is standard operating procedure that is being implemented and taken care of while these operations are conducted. But yes, it's a big success for security forces, given the fact that
one terrorist has been eliminated. The action, the anti-terror crackdown that has continued through the night, the encounter is set to be reportedly underway as the search operations also continue. Sahil, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Those are the updates coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Let's in the meantime talk about our